Hi again, just a quick follow-up to explain a bit how it works. It's now ambient temperature reading from this sensor is showing, when the page comes back round, that it's 25.17 and channel 1 power's 10%. So that channel 1 that the juice trap's connected to is running at 10%. These LEDs change brightness the more power that it's putting through. So if this sensor's reading that it's colder than this sensor, that's why it switched the juice strap on. If I warm this sensor up, just hold it in my hand, yeah, you'll see that channel, there you go. Now that's switched that strap off because that sensor's told it that it's got up to a temperature where juice is not going to form. Right, so channel 1 power off, because channel 1 temperature is higher than the ambient. So if I were to technically breathe on this sensor, then it'll then show that it's hotter than the juice trap. Switch that channel back on. There you go. Channel power 20%. So it's registered that it's much hotter than the strap. So the strap needs to get up to temperature. So now it's at 50%. 6 degrees hotter is this sensor. So again, if I hold this one in my hand, that should warm up and then turn the channel off, because it's thinking that it's, there you go, it's thinking that it's got up to temperature. I hope that explains it a little bit more, but it does look like it's going to be really good at keeping the dreaded dew off, because I have got a 14-inch scope and it's really close to the outside of my dome when the dome's open, so it does suffer quite badly from dew. But hey, we'll see how it works. Thanks a lot.